Hey guys, Mike Internet Pro. Going to make a quick video today. Top of the morning to ya. It is a really good day. Okay, I want to start with basically the sales. Yesterday had a platinum sale, diamond sale. But the reason why I'm making this video is because I know you guys are looking to get started, and what I use is the Power Lead System platform. Okay, this is one of my pages here. Converts really well. Has a running YouTube video in the background showing the beautiful islands around Thailand, and so you will be able to see that as you log in. So you can just place your email right here. You'll find this link below the video. Go ahead and click that link, place your email inside here, and click the get instant access. When you do that, you will receive a video message from me as well as a free gift that I have for you that will kind of fast start you, okay, and get you ahead of the game, okay, and showing you exactly how I'm doing this, okay. One of the tools that I use, and I mean it's fundamental in this business, is the 100% Power Lead System platform that works without a doubt. It turns basically leads into sales. That's the only way I can, describe it in the best way possible. It will turn average, leads into sales because it has a wonderful autoresponder system. And I really want you guys to get your hands on that and use it in your business. I use an actual guide, a report that they actually give you inside of the back office. So none of the things I have to create myself. It's already created for me. It's 100% done for you business, as everything is already set up. Now, this page is custom. You can make a page just like this very easily. You can simply just type this out and you can place any video, any YouTube video you want behind it. There's absolutely no restrictions on how many sales pages or squeeze pages that you make with Power Lead System. It's to infinity. So if you want to make, 20, 30, 50, 100 different squeeze pages, that's what this is. It's considered a squeeze page or a capture page. You can do that. Okay. So anyway, guys, you see the proof, as I always like to show you. The leads are coming in steadily as always, as well as the sales are coming in steadily as always. This was a $400 sale yesterday, a $100 sale yesterday, and just asking you guys to give it a look. Like I said, it's a free gift waiting for you. You don't want to pass up on this. Okay, so anyway, guys, my name is Mike Internet Pro, and always click the link below. I'm out.